Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you one of the easiest way to make money online in 2019 as a beginner. I'm going to show you the easiest and the fastest way you can start making money online in 2019, even if you are brand new to this game, even if you're a total beginner. Stay with me to the end of this video and you will have a better understanding or a new strategy you can implement starting today that will enable you to start making money on the internet. My goal with this channel, my goal with this channel is to help you build a solid online business, to show you how you can start making money on the internet, and to help you make sure you start generating income online. Therefore, check out the link at the description below, the first link at the description of this video for a free training, a free 7 days program, a free 7 days training that shows you step by step how you can start making money on the internet. It's a free training. Just go to the site, sign up and check and go through the training so that you can see how you can start making money on the internet from today. So check out the link below and go sign up on the site. It's free. It's a free training, a free 7 days training that shows you how to start making money online. So also, if you love my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification, the bell button, to be notified of my future video, because I plan to do more videos like this showing you step by step how you can start making money online. So kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to be notified of future videos. And also, if you love my channel, share this video, like it, comment on it, let me know your thoughts on this particular video and in subsequent videos I make. So check out the link, the first link at the description below, and please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment on it. And today I'm going to show you the easiest way you can begin making money in 2019 as a beginner. Now I need you to understand something, that to make money online, you need an audience. You need to start building an audience for your business. It does not necessarily mean to build an audience for the particular product you want to build, you want to promote, but you want to first of all build an audience base, people that will know you, like and trust you. And to do that, we will start by using YouTube to grow an audience of fans that will love hearing from us. So you first of all want to make money online the easiest way. You first of all want to build an audience that would always hear from you. And we're going to use YouTube marketing to do that. To do that, you need to sign up on YouTube and start creating, sign up on YouTube, create a brand name that you can use to start building up an audience. And I'm going to show you how to grow your brand, how to grow your brand name on YouTube. But the first concept is to grow an audience of people that would love to hear from you every time you publish a video. And once you create a brand name on YouTube, you want to go to other channels and reverse engine what other successful YouTubers are doing. So while making a search, I came across this channel, Tis Christina. When you look at this channel, this is a channel with 2 million subscribers. This is a travel vlog of with over 2 million subscribers. And is this channel, each video gets millions and millions of views. These are 179,000 views, 160,000 views, and this one, the end of summer outfit, 244,000 views. How do you think these channels are making money online? there is it's channel is this channel is making money by recommending. Now this is end of summer outfit. So you can create a vlog or a channel that is all about your lifestyle, your everyday activities, your lifestyle, and on those things you recommend products or you recommend things that you use on everyday lifestyle. Now this guy here is recommending some outfits, and with 244,000 viewers, he will be sending traffic to this out to this chat to whatsoever he or she is promoting. So the first thing, you want to create a channel of what you love, and you document your everyday activity on the channel. You don't want to start promoting anything or anything yet. You want to build an audience of people that would love to hear from you by publishing your everyday lifestyle on the channel, optimizing your videos for views and for comments and for growth. And once your channel keep on growing, you can start recommending products, you can start recommending services that your fans love to hear. And when you look at this channel, there are different things this guy is recommending here. Now this is a travel skincare routine. In this particular video, he or she could recommend a skincare product to his fans or to her fans or subscribers. So she has been able to build this channel to a point where she gets millions of subscribers, millions of views every single time she publishes a video. And by doing so, she can recommend different products in different niches, in different brands to her fans by publish by sharing her lifestyle on her videos. In the first place, she recommended some outfits. Here she's recommending skincare. Now she could recommend sorry, she could recommend anything that she uses in her everyday life. She could recommend a skincare product, and healthcare product, or anything that helps her and benefits her audience. So the first strategy to make money is to build up an audience of fans that would love to hear from you. And as time goes on, once you build up this audience, you want to start recommending products you use every day to this audience, and it will allow you to start making money by recommending these products online. You can also go to a site like Clickbank and choose your these are different niches. You can choose out any these are the in the fashion niche, the photography niche. These niches, the dating niche, you can choose products and services that is targeted to your fans, to your audience, and recommend it to them. And first, since you've built up the audience base by constantly publishing videos of your lifestyle online on your channel, these recommendations will start getting you will start getting traffic to these recommendations, to these offers, and by so doing you start making money on the internet. So this is a simple strategy. It may be very simple, but just don't neglect it. Put it to practice. 90% of watching this video may not take action on this, but it's a simple strategy that is going to work for you. And when you do that, you're going to see that it's very easy to monetize your channel, to monetize your passion, to monetize what you love doing, simply by building up an audience of people that would love to hear from you regularly. And once you have built up this audience, you recommend things you use every day to this audience, and you will see that you will start generating traffic from your channel down to your offer. And when you start building up, getting traffic to your offer, since it's people that love to hear from you, you will notice that it's going to be very easy for you to monetize these offers, for you to monetize these traffics by making money from this recommendation. So guys, it's a simple strategy. I need you to go and try it out. Build up a channel, build up an audience in it. Create a YouTube channel, build up an audience by sharing your everyday lifestyle on the channel, and as your audience keep optimize your videos for more views and for more comments. And as you do this, you start monetizing along the line, start monetizing this your channel by recommending everyday products you use on the channel. So this is a simple strategy you can use to start building an online business, and you can start making money on the internet. So guys, if you love this video, please kindly subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the bell button to be notified of my future videos, like my videos please, and most importantly, check out the link. Check out the link at the description below, down here at the description below. The first link there, it's a free training that shows you, a free training that runs in 7 days, that shows you how you can start making money on the internet. So check it out, and I'll see you next with a new video. Bye.